Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I am bringing extremely important update for teachers who are searching for a reputed school job with excellent salary and facility. So let's start without any delay. So first let us start with the vacancy. So first vacancy is for TGT post English, Maths, Social Science, Painting and Art and Craft. The next TGT ATL instructor for ATL lab. Then PRT all subject, PRT physical education or games and PRT painting. Then there is also vacancy for pre-primary teachers. Now let us see the qualification. For TGT qualification, they should have graduation with minimum 50% with B.Ed. Then for TGT mathematics, you should have bachelor degree in mathematics with any two subjects like math, physics, chemistry, economics, computer science or statistics. For TGT English as a subject in all 3 years of graduation. Then TGT social science, graduate with any two of the following like history, economics, political science and geography, out of which one must be either history or geography. Then B.Ed and proficiency in teaching in English medium. Remember, postgraduate is not compulsory, but if you are postgraduate candidate, then you will be given preference. Next, for TGT painting, bachelor degree in drawing and painting or fine art with minimum 50%. Then postgraduate is again preference will be given. Knowledge of computer application for all post. Then TGT ATL instructor, mandatory BTech or MTech with electronic or electrical. Then you should have knowledge in the field of making and assembling of drone. Minimum 1 year of experience in any reputed institute in the field of innovation, robotics, STEM or AI. Having 2 years of experience in Atal Tinkering Lab. For primary teachers, for PRT all subject, graduate with minimum 50%, BLEd or 2-year DLEd. Then proficiency in teaching in English or Hindi medium computer application. Then PRT physical education, you should have bachelor with physical education with minimum 50% or graduation in physical education with 40%. So all different are there like BPEd course. So you can have any of this. Then you should have bachelor in physical education with at least 1 year duration from any National Council for Teacher Education. Then PRT painting, same bachelor in drawing and painting with minimum 50%. Pre-primary teacher, higher secondary, intermediate or senior school certificate with minimum 50%. Then NTT course, nursery teacher training course or 2-year diploma in elementary education. Desirable is graduation. Graduation is not compulsory, but it is desirable. Now let us see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow, Kent. So now let us see few more instruction for the teachers. So first, age limit. If you are army spouse, then your age is between 0 to 40 without any experience freshers, and 40 to 55 if your age, then you should have minimum 5 years of experience. For other candidate below 40, fresher candidate can also apply, but if your age is more than 40, then you should have 5 years of teaching experience in last 10 years. Last date for submission of application form is 10th April 2026. Now let us see how to apply. So for applying, you need to download the application form from this website, which is the school website, apsnrlucknow.org. Then after downloading that application form, you need to fill it completely. Then attach self-attested photocopy of all testimonial, including your education and experience. Then demand draft of 250 rupees in favor of Principal, Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow, in a sealed envelope and mark the envelope as application for post of TGT or PGT. Now this application you can send it by hand directly if you are staying nearby school, or through register post or speed post. The address is Army Public School, Nehru Road, Lucknow 226,002, and it should reach before 10th April 2026. Application received after due date will not be considered, and no application form will be accepted via email, so don't mail them. Now, tentative date of interview means only shortlisted candidate will be called for the interview, and they are planning in the last week of April, means obviously after 20 or 25 April only you are going to get the interview thing. And you can see the list of selected candidate and exact schedule of the interview on the school website, means regularly check school website. Salary they are going to pay as per AWES, Army Welfare Education Society norms. So if you have any query, you can call on this number or you can mail them on this number. But remember, don't send your resume. They are not going to accept any resume via mail. Now, this is the application form. I will show you how you can download the application form also. So first you need to write the post, whether you are applying for TGT or PRT, then the subject for which you are applying, fix your passport size photograph here, then your personal detail you need to enter, then your present or previous occupation. If currently you are working, then give your present occupation. If now you are unemployed, then previous occupation if you have. If you are fresher, keep it blank. Then your family detail. Next, your education qualification they are asking, starting from class 10th onward. Then your CSB, or if you have cleared, or CTET if you have cleared. Then classes which you prefer to take. So here write the specific classes, like if you want to teach 6 to 10, right, complete 6 to 10, or you want to teach only 8, 9 and 10, mention that, as well as the subject. If you have any other training like NCC, scouting, music, drama, or any other activity, you can mention it here, as well as the proficiency, whether you are expert or whatever you have. Then merit scholarship if you have during your education time, the language, then your experience. So here you need to fill. Now since there is no space here, you have to attach one separate sheet in this tabular form and attach in this resume or in this application form. But format should be same like this, means starting date, end date, name of the school, subject taught, class taught, number of people taken. Number of people taken means the class strength, average class strength you can mention. Then total experience in years. Then your aptitude, then your health, co-curricular activities, computer knowledge, any other activity. Then reference of 2 person you need to give who know you very well and they can give positive feedback regarding you. Now let us see how you can download this advertisement or application form. For downloading the application form, you need to go on the official website of this school, which is apsnrlucknow.org. Now in the right side you can see this is the announcement here. The second itself, LSB selection teaching staff on ad hoc basis for academic year 26-27, which was released on 25th March. You just need to click on it and your application form with advertisement will be downloaded. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.